How to manage offline files in Google Drive on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to make files accessible without an internet connection. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. After that, sign in to your Google account. From there, right-click on the specific file you want to make available offline. At this point, look for the option labeled Available Offline. In the next step, click on it to toggle this on for that file. Following this, keep in mind you'll need Google Drive's Chrome extension installed for offline access to actually work through your browser. Once done, if it's not installed, Drive will prompt you to add the extension the first time you try this. From here, once enabled, that specific file can now be opened and viewed even without an internet connection. At this stage, to check which files you've made offline accessible, click on the gear icon at the top right. Keep in mind, click on Settings, then check the General tab, where you can also toggle offline access as a default for recently used files. Finally, test this by turning off your internet connection, then opening the file to confirm it loads properly offline. And that's it. If this guide helped you manage offline files in Google Drive on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.